Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create gradient backgrounds inside CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut and I'm going to create a new project. Now from here, there's a couple of different ways I can do it. If I've got these two different colors I want to make as a gradient in my mobile phone, I'll just go to my albums and go to my download section where I've got these colors, or you can just use CapCut's library. So I'll show you the first way. If you click on library and say, for example, I want to make a gradient of this red and a blue, this blue here, I can just go ahead and click on that red and this blue here and then click add. Or if I want to upload some, I'll go to my albums up the top here. Now I'm inside my download section. I'm going to go to photos and I can click on this red and that blue that I've got in my mobile phone. So what I'll do, I'll remove the ones from inside CapCut because I want to use these two colors. I want to click on that color and that color, and then I'm going to click add. Here are my two colors. So now what I want to do is click on the second color here. So I'll click on the second color at the bottom here. I want to choose overlay. Here's overlay. And now I want to position this, click and hold and drag it so it's in line with the red color. And you can see how that this blue is not matching up with the red. So what I want to do is click on blue, and now with my fingers, I'm going to rotate the blue around like so. I'm going to make it fit the screen or make it a little bit larger like so. And now from here, still have the blue image clicked or the second image clicked here. And then on the bottom here, we want to click onto mask. Here it is here. And then we want to choose horizontal and then click onto adjust. And it just depends where you want your gradient. So if you want your gradient horizontal, you can have it like this. And now to make the gradient, just click this little button here, the feather. And now you can see the gradient is happening. Or with your two fingers, you can change the direction of this slider here, like so. And then click onto where it says adjust. And then we want to rotate this, so click on rotate. If we want to have a 90 degree, just click on, scroll it to 90 degrees, like so. So now we've got a 90 degree gradient, and then click on feather. And now move this slider left to right and choose how much of the gradient you want to appear in your image. And now once you're happy with that, go ahead and click onto export. And there you go, that's how to create gradient backgrounds inside CapCut.